Hey everyone, this is Miss Young, and I'm going over our beginning of the year PowerPoint for 5th grade. This year we have student teachers in 5th grade. You have Miss Barber in math, Miss Young in reading, and Miss Kirkpatrick is teaching language. Science and history will be taught by all teachers. Classroom expectations. Each teacher will post their weekly assignments and lesson plans in Schoology. Students are expected to check these daily. You will get more information on Schoology closer to the start of school. This will be our new learning management platform. It'll basically be just like Blackboard, but we're going to slowly transition to this within this year and next year. Computers. Each child is required to pay a $50 digital curriculum fee or set up a payment plan in order to receive a computer to carry home each day. The computer is the child's responsibility to monitor and keep safe. Please stress to your children to never share usernames and passwords with anyone. You will also receive an RUP. This policy is basically, it goes over everything that they need to know, how to take care of their computer, and they cannot take their computer home until this policy is signed, and it is in your orientation packet. Homework policy. Homework assignments will be posted on the classroom board, and the students will write them in their planners, or they can write them down on a sticky note on their desktop. Just like in 4th grade, the teachers will post their assignments, and it's the student's responsibility to write these down. Arrival and dismissal. We have a few things changing this year. Students can enter the building at 7:30 a.m. The tardy bell will ring at 7:45 a.m. School doors do not open until 7:30 a.m. Dismissal is at 2:55 p.m. in front of FEW. If your child is not picked up by 3:15, he or she will be sent to the front of the elementary school to be picked up. Some extra information. Only bus and daycare students can arrive on campus before 7:30. These students will report to our gym. All others can begin arriving at 7:30 in front of FEW. Each student's temperature must be taken by a school employee before they exit the car. A temp of 100.0 degrees or higher, the student will not be allowed to stay at school. Walkers will have their temperature checked outside of the main entrance before they are allowed to enter the building, and the tardy bell will now ring at 7:45. Attendance policy. Please remember to send an excuse when your child is absent, and it is very important that your child is here each day, that they are not sick. If your child is sick, please keep them at home. Lunch and breakfast. The breakfast is free for everyone and will be served to us in our homerooms each morning. But the students will not report to the lunchroom anymore for breakfast in the mornings. They will have it in their homerooms. Lunch is $2.75 and reduced lunch is 40 cents. Please send lunch money in an envelope with your child's first and last name, as well as the amount written on it. Students do not have access to a refrigerator or microwave. Also, no canned or bottled drinks are allowed at school. Remind 101. We're going to be using the Remind 101 app to communicate with parents, and we will send newsletters and announcements and important dates on Remind 101. We'll also use it to communicate privately with any behavior issues that would arise. You can find instructions for joining Remind in your welcome packet for orientation. You can also download the Remind 101 app on your smartphone. Facebook. We have a 5th grade Facebook page. Some of you have already joined it. It's Piedmont Elementary's 5th grade 2020-2021. We'll use this to post announcements and news and different happenings in our classrooms. Mask. Students will be required to wear a mask while at school. We ask that you follow the same rules for shirts found in student handbooks. No political or controversial statements, and also no bad language. Water. Students will not have access to the water fountain this year due to COVID. We ask that each student bring a water bottle or thermos with water in it each day to keep at their desk. Please make this a separate drink from their lunch. We would also greatly appreciate any donations of cases of bottled water.